So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see another problem of TCS DCA coding exam. So let's see the question now. Given a string consisting of alphabets and digits, find the frequency of each digit in the given string. So let's see the input format. The first line contains a string which is the given number. So let's first see what is the sample input that is given to us. So the sample input that is given to us is A1147205T6, and in the output we are just outputting some numbers. Okay, so what we are doing is, first of all we are seeing that in this array like how many zeros are there. Since there is no zero in this array, so we will put 0. Then we will check for 1, how many ones are in this array. So there are 2 ones in this array, so we will output 2 at 1's position, and then we will check for 3, then we will check for 2, and then 3 and 4, 5 until 9 we will check. So in this way we have to check how many numbers how many times the digit is coming in that array. For example, 0 appears 0 times, 1 appears 2 times, 2 appears 1 times, and then 3 appears 0 times, 4 appears 0 times. So in this how we have given the output. So now let's see how we will code this. So first of all we are given it with the character array, and now first of all we will calculate the length of the character array. So int n is equals to strlen of c. So in this way we will get how many characters are there in the array, and now we will create a count variable so that we can count the occurrences of each digit in the array. And also we will create a character ch, and we will initialize it with 0, which is a string 0. You will get to know why we are doing like this. Okay, so first of all what we will do is we will run a loop from 0 to 10, because I less than 10, I plus plus. Why we are doing so? Because we want the occurrences of each digit in the array. So till 0 to 9 this loop will run, and it will tell the occurrences of each digit. And then what in the second loop we will do, we will run the second loop from j is equals to 0 to j less than n. So in the second loop what we are doing is we are traversing our array, and the condition that we have to put in this case is c of j, which means the character in the character array we have to compare it with the ch. Okay, that is the first time what we will do is we will compare all the elements of array with 0. If it is equal, what we will do, we will increment our count pointer, count plus plus. Okay, and then finally we will print out our count value, so that we will get how many times 0 appears. Since 0 is not there in the array, so our count will be equal, count value will never be incremented, and our count value first time will be given out as output as 0 only. And when it will run for 1, our output will be 2, because count will be incremented 2 times, because in the input array the 1 is appearing 2 times. Okay, so but what we have to do, one more thing is we have to increment this ch character that we have taken, because otherwise it will always compare for 0 only. So what we will do is we will increment ch after every iteration of the array, and also we will assign count every time to 0, so that once we have calculated for one digit, before we start to calculate for the other digit, our count variable should be 0. Okay, so let's now try to run this code. So you can see that we have got the output as 0210111100, which means that our output is correct. We also wanted this output only. So this means that our 1 has appeared 2 times, 3 has appeared 1 times, 3 has appeared 0 times, and so on. So that's all for this video. Thank you. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel.